Hello, hello, hello. This is TeamBitCoinFL. You can follow us on our YouTube channel. And here I am looking at the price of the Bitcoin at 4:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here today, November 25th. And I am truly amazed as how the Bitcoin has increased its value within the last few weeks. I haven't even been able to imagine how this is changing all our lives in the most amazing way. So here's what I wanted to change. Today it opened at 8,201. Today's high had been 8,725.13, and the low is $8,156.75. Now, what this means is that any investments that we have been doing with the different cryptocurrencies, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Hextra, whereas there are different coins that are related to how the Bitcoin responds to the market, you'll see a significant equivalent or increase potentially in the coins that you might be investing in, right? So today has been a great day for those who are trading in Bittrex. I want to shout out because I'm sure that all the cryptocurrency investors out there are having an amazing day, and most importantly, they're looking into creating a new passive income. Now, before I go any further, I just wanted to let you know that this is my hobby. I do this as an investor for a hobby. I'm not a financial advisor, and that you always have to be paying attention. Do all your research, do all your diligence to make sure that which cryptocurrency you are going to be investing in. One of the things that I wanted to share with you as well is that something as close to the 10 days ago, I invested in one of the platforms that I am investing, and within a few days, I turned what it could be like $51 into $600+. Tell me, where can you do $10? 10 days, get that return of investment with your cryptocurrency investments, right? That would not happen in a savings account on a bank unless you have a lot of money deposited, and not even close, because when I had about the same amount of investment that I am putting into the cryptocurrency, in a year I would probably have about 78 cents, where in 10 days I have been able to manage to get back so much more. And this passive income, it's what it's been changing our lives forever. Me and my husband and a couple of other investors have been investigating, doing our research, making sure that we place our investments in new opportunities as well as those established as Bitcoin is. We know that this is an all-time record for a while. And like I said, 10 days ago, it was under $7,000 or close to $7,000. How is it that this coin is getting so much demand? How is it that it's increasing? You see, the supply out there, they have a market cap. The supply must be lower at this time in order for it to increase its value, because it's supply and demand, right? Now, I want you to know also that when we do these investments, we don't do it taking money from our mortgage, taking money from our bills, or leaving work behind. That is, if you definitely are not making enough to support your family and have additional money to use for investment. In other words, It's money that you can afford to lose in the event of an emergency. This is a very high yield investment, but it's also very high risk, which means that if you are going to invest $1,000, make sure that those $1,000 you would have kept them in your savings bank account and it will give you about 78 cents a year. You would have been fine with it because it was doing nothing, and you can still use those $1,000 and then make some money. But don't come up and say, I'm going to use my mortgage money because next month I'm going to double or triple this, because this does not guarantee, right? Now, that being said, I wanted to also let you know that you should always diversify. If you're going to invest here, I'm looking at the Bitcoin. If you look at Ethereum, it has lower about $3 in a day, but the open was at 474.54. The lowest has been 461.05, and today's highs have been 485.19. Now, this particular cryptocurrency I've been watching because it has been increasing over the past few days, which is another reason why we cannot put all our eggs in just one basket. Look, just a couple of seconds ago, we were looking at this, and it increased just $1.62 more than it was, or around $1 more. You see, this is why you have to do your research. This is why you have to look into what you're investing. This is an opportunity for you to make investments in cryptocurrency and assets. And if you have been watching our channel, you will see how it has been increasing. Now, one other thing, if you have been in cryptocurrency investments for a long time, you probably have been watching how the Bitcoin acted at the beginning of the year, which was closer to about $1,000. And this is the cryptocurrency that was launched, or let's say, in the blockchain in 2009. So in 2007, it reached $1,000, around that amount, within the first few months of the year. Look what has happened at almost the end of November, which has increased tremendously. And I can only foresee great future for everybody that is investing in this. All right. Now, let me see if I can go ahead and show you some graphics. All right, so this has been during the day, where it has started, where it has gone. You look at how the Bitcoin has been working from November 18th to the 25th. It started at 7,800. It's all the way up here at almost $1,000 more within a week. And since last month, around the 12th, we were closer to $6,000 or low 6,000. I would say almost 5,300 or something based on this graphic. Let's see if there's a specific amount that we can look at. And right now, it has boomed so much. We invested when this Bitcoin was at its lowest during this month, and see how much we have been able to obtain an increment in the value of the Bitcoins that we have. So, if we look into Ethereum, similar things have been happening, where in last week, November 18, it was under $360, and now it's over $480. It's doing a significant increment as well after this date. All right. I hope that this information is good for you. You can do your research. If you want more information about what we're doing with some of our cryptocurrencies, check on our YouTube page. You will find the links to different references. That's where we learn all about what is Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin, what is Ethereum, what is Chromium, what is the new ICOs that are opening right now. And you can learn what we've been doing and get inspiration for your financial future with the opportunity of cryptocurrency. This is all for me today. Look, just now, November 25th at 4:44 p.m., it just went to $8,702.96. You've been watching this video with me since a couple of minutes ago. about 10 minutes now, and this is how the market has been increasing within that time. Thanks again for watching. This is Bitcoin Florida, and watch and subscribe to our channels in YouTube. Thanks for watching.